guys, today we're going to be doing something that Leo wanted to do, which is put water bottle in his bike to make it sound like a motorcycle. Is it in? Leo, is it in? Is the water bottle in?
No, not yet.
We are going to do this.
We're going to empty 2 out, 1 for you and 1 for me.
Here, hold the camera. I'll open it. Look at me, guys. Other way. Go. End it. Just, no, down. Down. There. So I am going to be opening this. Here, down more. Down more. Like this. So I'm going to be opening this. So we can do the trick. Oh, would you look at that? These are kind of medium.
Well, that's what Jackson used. Gotta empty it.
We're going to do it. No, didn't he fill one up?
Nope.
He emptied it?
Yeah, he did this and he crossed it.
Here, let me do it to mine real quick.
Whoa. Don't know how he did this though.
Bam, 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 bam. Right in the grass. One can't come. Put the cap back on.
I think he put it.
Oh, wait. Crumble. Wait for me.
That is not how it sounds. It sounded like that's what it sounds like.
It sounds like that.
No, it sounds like a motorcycle actually.
No, a motorcycle just did. It did. Now, right now, I'm trying to put mine in. But I don't really know where to put it. It has to be on a wheel, though. So, maybe it could go this way. Leo, can you come record me? Okay. Let's see if it really sounds. Thought that was a real motorcycle coming. It sounds like a motorcycle, guys. Dang! It sounds like a motorcycle. You guys are gonna come on the ride too. Mine sounds so much like a motorcycle. It sounds so nice, bro. No. Dang. Wow, guys. Would you give that a wow? nice.
Do you think we should put this more in?
Should we put more in?
Yeah.
Yes.
Only put one in. No, like put this more in.
Oh, more in.
No, put this thing in more.
Okay. Oh. Leo just doesn't know how to ride a bike while he has a camera in his hand. So that's why I'm doing other recording.
They actually have a real motorcycle.
Yeah, I saw that. Someone had a real motorcycle and then they said vroom vroom.
No, like right there, that neighbor house.
Let's go on a motorcycle ride. Dora the Explorer. Leo, go that way. Turn around. Leo, turn around and go ahead of me. And wheelie. Not really. Doesn't this sound like a motorcycle? Kind of.
I know. My cousin Jackson.
I know. Leo told me we're doing it into a YouTube video. Keep on going that way. Keep on going. Doesn't it sound like a motorcycle? Go, guys. And we're turning around. What?
No, stop riding.
What?
If Frankie says anything about it, tell him that my cousin Jackson made it up and then I did it and told you guys.
Why?
Because then he's not gonna do that.
I'm going to say that Leo had the idea to do it.
To do it. No, so say that my cousin Jackson made it up and Leo wanted to do it.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Let's go all the way down to my house. I'm using the iPad to steer, guys. I was, but... Why is someone hitting the gritty over there? Yeah.
Oh, what's up, guys?
I have to have the camera, though.
One sec. Bro, wait, can you open the garage for me?
Hold up. Why do you need the garage open?
So I can get the water bottle that you guys.
Oh, it's from over there.
Where?
At your house.
My house? Oh, yeah.
Let's keep on going, guys. Let me do something. Boom, boom. All ready? Let's go. I wonder what this looks like. For you guys, I'm going to watch this video after we're done. I think this might be a good video. You guys should really subscribe. Let's go fast. Whee! You have arrived at your destination. So, nah. Just pour it out. That was the end of the vid. Bye, guys.